So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic impartiality. So guys, this video will be about the consequences of impartiality. So ensure to stay till the end of this video as we have just this one question to answer, and it says, according to James, Christians should avoid partiality so that they would not be A. Punished by God, B. Transgressors of the law, C. Oppressors of the poor, D. Consumed by their deeds. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, transgressors of the law. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.